Hello, and welcome to your guide for canceling your current subscription for the purpose of upgrading to a different subscription term or tier. I'm going to use Kim for the day as our example for this example and show you just how you are going to go through to change your sub. And for the sake of upgrading or changing things, because it is SUBtember and I greatly appreciate every level of support that comes in. So you will navigate over to your section over here to your subscriptions. Click on subscription and then navigate over to your gifted subscriptions. And then you will see whoever you're gifted to. So for the, like I said, the sake of this, we're going to use Kim for the day as our example. You will go over to edit subscriptions, disable gift benefits, and that will then disable benefits. Tra-la-la-la. You are now no longer subscribed to Kim for the day. So now you've canceled the subscription and you can go back over to the page. And from there you can click on resubscribe and you can just resubscribe right from this button here. Or if you did want to elevate your subscription, you can also choose to pick to resubscribe for 1 month, or for 3 months in advance, or 6 months in advance. For September, it'll be 25% off for 3 months and 1 month, and 30% off for the 6 months. And then you can choose to resubscribe at tier 2 or tier 3. So we're going to subscribe today for Kim right now. So we have canceled the sub, and we then renew said sub. And you can go to full checkout if you want to adjust things afterwards, but as long as you click on that elevate your sub, then you can choose if you want to upgrade from that tier 1 to a tier 2 or a tier 3. And then you would just click that button and you're off to the races.
I saw Vintage. I saw them.
And then you may need to now this may not pop up. That little button right here may not pop up. You may need to refresh the stream.
Every time someone makes a...
So you may have to refresh the stream for that to pop up, and then share your message. And this one is for the community. And there you go.
They win.
Share that.
Like every time.
There we go.
Oh my goodness.
And you've upgraded your sub. I thank you so much for your support.
Hello.
Let's go.
Thank you. People like mushrooms. They do. I adore mushies. So witchy cottage vibes. Can we get a shout out for Astro Canuck, please?
That's it. Video's over.
Yo, thank you so much for the 5 months.
Kim's my guinea pig. Thank you, Kim.